Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. This is a market update for today. This is a second market update for today, Friday, October 11th. It I don't want and I want to do this update, come back in to do another stream because the risk that I'm perceiving is really, really high for the long. Perceived risk for high is really low. Really high, my bad. 58.50. How much are these 58.50s expiring Monday next week? You have a bunch of and why I'm saying while this is the 5 minutes chart. I got these highlighted areas here as the references, and I put this one when the market was down over here. This one, I didn't realize that the 60, the the big block that we saw over there was right around there, and it never came back to this area here. Now we have short covering, we have a tone, the market's to the upside, traders are buying dips here. You can see it here, 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 and notice what's happening now, brother. It's unbelievable how short term, how it's unbelievable. For me, the risk the traders are taking here is huge. They're just convinced that this market is never going to stop until we have the 6,000 maybe. And I still watching to this high here, but I don't like. I wouldn't be. Potentially this could be the potential destination of this movement. If there is something to, I really don't have anything. Notice, for example, I mean, this potential destination remains there, but it's something I wouldn't do now, because what I have here is this G low is exactly to the ticker halfback. We have also Nasdaq buying from halfback here, another buying from halfback here, and this is not just halfback but also previous period, not previous period, that period low here. Now you have a double low here, two wide. No, it's not previous period low, but two wide low. I guess I'm going to rename this like two wide low. Momentum is to the upside, price is higher. Look, but volume is matching yesterday. Volume is increased relative to the opening, but it is matching. It's decreasing now. A little bit lower, can you see? But compare that to what are we comparing to? Right, to this day. And notice how low, really low volume is, and probably we're going to have, if this continues, we're going to have this or maybe even less than that. I'm not saying that that's going to be the case. It's always odds, probabilistic thinking here. Now, notice where K low is, where J low is, where G low is, the tendency, the pattern that we have here, or maybe here, pattern we have here. Now they are not waiting for the day to develop to the next day. You are doing the same before, Now that we know what to do, let's do it now, right? Why wait until Monday? Let's do it now. Nasdaq, look at this low in Nasdaq, man. It was bought from seller, another buy from seller. It was bought from seller here as well, two times here. It's super questionable. Now, value is overlapping higher. Here it was 6 it was 5 period low when this break happened. We had told, right, to move POC lower, the market needs to, come back below, first not close this distribution here, and start building value below, right, just to move POC lower. It didn't happen. What are the odds that's going to happen? I don't think that we have too much odds now, because we don't have too much time now. We only 3 more periods left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, potentially 8 more. If this K comes just one more tick, that will give us 8 period wide POC. If it comes, 8 period wide. Now, can we have 8 down here? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. K coming here makes 6. Right? 6. L and M will make 8. But the market will need to remain below this area here. Not even touching, not even getting close to this E low here. That for POC to move lower. Right now POC is higher, and I really don't like this market. I really don't like the market. I think the risk here, the market is to the upside, the tone is to the upside, the trade is by the dips, but the risk I'm taking doing that trade is extremely high. This market can come back all the way down to here, or maybe even more, or getting close to close this distribution, right? And then come back again. Happen. And now that's a possibility. I don't know what's going to happen, but I don't like my odds, right? Discretionary trading is probabilistic thinking, developing a mindset in probabilistic terms. And I really don't like my odds here. Notice going long, going short here, where I am doing that. Right at the center value, right where POC is, right? If this K comes breaking all the way down to J low, it still will be POC. We are right there. It can go higher, it can go lower. What's going to be? Have no freaking idea, right? But being long is something I don't like. It's not enough reason for me to take the short either, because momentum is to the upside and the trade is to the upside. The tone is to the upside. And many times these movements, we have extremely weak upside movements. Many times momentum is fed, it's fed by traders constantly shorting the market, right? Why you want to short? We talk about this. Why you want to short the market that is making new all-time highs? As we speak, the market can come breaking down all the way below this. We are always thinking here, right? What are my odds? Look at that. Look where POC is now, right? K has come now below POC. And what is this? The lower it comes, the unfairer, the prices are. Right? And that was it in this case. It's just the fact that we can identify a market, it doesn't mean I am going to do something in that. Traders are buying the dips. This is another dip that is being bought. These two lows here have been checked, have been corrected. Now we have a better low. Where the high is, for example, same. Do you remember the gap we have in Nasdaq in the daily time frame? It is still an inside day. Short covering, but inside day. This is overnight inventory all day long. Has been, correcting or short covering. We had short covering from, probably from yesterday and the overnight inventory as well. Notice where it closed yesterday. Let's open this profile. Yeah, this is good. It was getting short here. How many ticks? As close as possible this high, right? 2 ticks from this high, 2 ticks from this, 2 ticks from this high. Now the actions to the downside. Look at this tremendous pressure that we have here. Now we are going to 5,000, right? Let's sell it. Look at this, and look what happened. Once these guys start selling here, look how far the market rallied back. Okay, almost all of these, you have 1,000 differential to the downside. The volume on the lower side 1,600. Almost all of this was to the downside. I know, but why? Even if all of this is to the downside, why is still market going? It's coming back. It's bouncing. This one has been corrected. No, this one also has been corrected because it was exactly from hard back here. So the trade is that's it. If I got a short, which I did not, this is it. Right? I would not expect the market come back down here or closing this. That's it. And to begin with, I would never have shorted there. Not at this time, at least. It is. We still have plenty of time in the session before the closing. If there's any rebalancing, and I was watching that K low very carefully. Right? This would be having a really nice trade if we have a spike to the upside there. Boom, and market keep going higher. Right? That would have left 1, 2, 3 very, very, very questionable lows. Right? For next week, let's see if I can find anything related to next week that I can. Alright, earnings whisper. Do we have anything? Okay. Okay, this is October 14th for next week. Alcoa, Banks, CD, United, Apple, PPA, Equifax, Netflix. Thursday, Netflix after the close, right? Netflix and Banks. Earnings session is here. The expectations are high, but also the elections. All right. That was it. That's the only thing I want to say here. I don't have anything since I closed the stream the first time. I didn't have any position. I didn't have a long. I didn't have a short. I'm just watching, taking my time, eating breakfast. Right now, I am about to eat my lunch, but I am not leaving the screen. I have did some other things, but watching this thing on the side. Alright, guys. I wish you have a wonderful weekend. Hope I can see you Monday. Alright? Stay safe. Bye bye.